Food is the source of energy and nutrients that our body needs to function. However, the nutrients in food are often in forms too large or complex to be directly absorbed by the body. Foods are made up of different chemical compounds, such as carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, water, salts, and vitamins. How can we detect the chemical components that make up our food? Digestion of food and intestinal absorption. Feeding, or the intake of food, is the first step of the digestive process. Liquid foods are swallowed, while solid foods are chewed. These foods undergo transformations all along the digestive tract. Humans choose their food according to its taste and origin, since foods are different. Do these foods have common components? What are the chemical compounds of food? Experimental activity. Detection of the main chemical components of food. In this table, we show the different reagents used to detect chemical compounds in our food. We started our experiment by preparing a filtrate of bread. To investigate water-soluble compounds, a filtrate of the food is prepared. Example: bread filtrate. Bread is mixed with water, then filtered using filter paper. Next, we proceeded to the detection of organic compounds. To detect water, a test tube containing a piece of bread was heated. We observed that drops of water appeared on the walls of the test tube, along with the release of water vapor. Now, detection of chloride in a test tube. A small amount of sodium chloride solution is placed, then a few drops of silver nitrate are added. Finally, we observe white precipitate that darkens in light. Detection of calcium. In a test tube, a small amount of bread filtrate is placed, then a few drops of ammonium oxalate are added. Result of this experiment: a white precipitate that does not darken in light. Detection of proteins. Take the egg white, then add a few drops of iodine solution. We observed a white precipitate or spot that turned yellow. Detection of carbohydrate starch. We take a piece of potato, then add a few drops of iodine solution. We obtain a blue-violet spot. Detection of carbohydrate simple sugar. Prepare 2 test tubes, each containing a piece of apple, then add a few drops of failing solution to each tube. After that, we heated the test tube using a heater and observed that the color changed to orange. This color indicates that the piece of potato contains simple carbohydrate sugars. Detection of lipids. A drop of oil is placed on filter paper. After some time, a translucent spot appears on the paper. The paper is heated. The translucent spot does not disappear upon heating. The results of this experiment show the different reagents used to detect the main chemical components of food, and in the second part of the table, we show the different results with pictures. We've come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching.